Do you know that among the items you have listed for sale on the online portal, some items are top selling? If you can identify them, you can double your profit. However, you are worried because preparing the necessary reports for this is a time consuming process. Hello, are you an e commerce seller who wants to find out which are your best selling items and how much profit is earned on each item? But you don't have the time to prepare the reports yourself. Alternatively, if you assign this task to an employee, the other task will get delayed. Don't worry anymore. BusyRecom, India's first e-commerce accounting solution, provides various reports to save your time and simplify your decision-making process. With BusyRecom, you can view top-selling SKUs and access profitability reports to identify the items that generate the most profit. Let's see it live how BusyRecom reveals your best-selling items and helps maximize the profits. We will go to the add-on menu and open BusyRecom. Clicking on the BusyRecom menu will bring up the BusyRecom dashboard. On the Recom dashboard, you will see a reports button. Click on this button and various reports will appear. First of all, we will check top selling SKUs report. This report helps you in identifying top selling items in a particular period. We'll click on this option. Now, a report options window appears where you need to enter some data to generate the report. First of all, select the marketplace nickname, then specify the starting and ending dates for which you want to generate the report. Next, choose whether to consider the marketplace order date or voucher date for generating the report by selecting O for order date or V for voucher date. If you want to include sale return, specify Y here, else leave it as N. Then select the basis for the top SKUs, that is, whether you want to see the top SKUs based on amount or quantity. Specify A for amount or Q for quantity. If you want to view item amount as tax inclusive, specify Y, otherwise leave it as N. Finally, specify the number of top SKUs you want to view. Example 5, 10, 20, up to 99 you can specify here. For now, let's see the report for 10 SKUs. Click OK to generate the report. Here you can see top 10 SKUs based on the data you provided in the report options window. Next, let's see the marketplace item-wise sales report. Click on this menu and in the report options window, specify the required data and click OK. Here you can see which items are sold through which marketplace along with item quantity and item amount. Now, let's check the profitability report. Click on this menu and in the report options window, specify the required data. Here, select the item's cost price basis and click OK. In this report, you can see order-wise details, sales amount, cost of item, expense amount, total cost, profit and loss amount, profit and loss percentage. Have you noticed how Busy Recom has automatically generated such useful reports, making your decision making process much easier? So, what are you waiting for? Call your nearest channel partner today or call us at 8282828282 and purchase Busy Recom now. For informational videos and updates like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.